Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm going to admit up front, this was sent out to me to review. I am not much of a gamer, but my son has the Nintendo Switch 2, so I think this is something that he's going to really enjoy. This has drop resistance. It has, slots for your games. So I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box, and hopefully he'll be excited about this, and maybe you guys will be too. So inside of the box, as you guys can see, here is what you're going to receive. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that's in the box. So let me show you what this actually looks like. Now, if you have a Switch, you pretty much are familiar with this design. So you have the sections here for your controllers. The Switch is going to mount into this little plate right here. And you also have this section back here where you can add all of your different additional games that you want to store. This is detachable, so you can press this little thing here and this can come out. So if you want to take that out, you're able to do so. Really nice design. I like this futuristic kind of industrial style for it. Nice. Everything fits together really well. I like that. So I can tell you it has this nice little rubberized feel to it. Now it's not a really soft rubber, but it is rubberized. You have these indicator markings on here, red and blue, and I guess that's for left and right. But I think he's going to really enjoy this once he attaches this to his Switch. I think this is going to be really nice. All of your ports are available at the bottom, as you guys see here. Additional accessibilities here at the top as well. So it's not going to block anything. So all of the normal functions that you're used to having with your Switch, this is going to really come in handy. I think this is going to easily take your gameplay to the next level. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you guys something that was sent out to me that I'll be gifting to my son for his gameplay, and I was hoping that you guys might enjoy it as well. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you this really cool product that was sent out to me by Start RC Games. I am a fan. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.